Miramax Films presents a sexy new comedy that CBS Radio calls one of the best films of the year. And Siskel and Ebert give it 2 thumbs up.
Right? Right.
The Grimley Brass Band has survived almost everything.
Over 100 years this band's been going. 2 world wars, 3 disasters, 7 strikes, 1 bloody big depression, and band played on every flaming time.
But their greatest test just walked through the door.
Mrs. Foggen said you might let me play with you.
Down, boy, down.
She's Andy Barrow's old flame.
Do you remember me?
You haven't changed a bit.
You have.
And she's back to join the band.
Gloria Mullins. Love of me bloody life.
Bloody hell.
Now,
Joined band last night, did you?
Yeah, how did you know that?
she's got the whole town marching to a different drummer.
She's very talented.
Hi, I know. We saw her.
That girl blows flugel like a dream.
Danny Albendroid. At your age.
And romance is whistling a brand new tune.
Do you want to come up for a coffee?
I don't drink coffee.
I haven't got any.
NBC TV says it's great. 4 stars. Don't miss it. It's a blast.
Okay, lads, let's do it.
Ewan McGregor, Tara Fitzgerald, Pete Postlethwaite.
Sex, drugs, and rock and roll, eh, girls?
I accept we can do without drugs and rock and roll.
Brassed off.